guys, the purpose of this video, I want to to have an idea and once you will come to Dubai and living in Dubai, hope so. So you'll have an idea how to the prices here. So you'll understand how much you bring money with you if you want to buy from the supermarket. So I'm showing you little, and if you're interested to see more about supermarkets as well in Dubai, let me know so I can make for you like a proper round. So I will show you with all the prices and everything. So and I will let you know as well which is the best place to go to buy from. Oh, this is a. So I'll just take you with me for a small round to the kind of one supermarket in the Dubai right now. So as you can see, there are everything here. It's a fish, which is fresh fish you can get. It's the prices as well. And it's so healthy. And let me show you here that if you want food, of course the food is here. Chicken, just one for 16, that's cool.
The first one also is spicy because of pepper. Also this one.
And there are many like sauce here, if you want to have like vegetable fried rice, you want to have a kade vegetable. Many mostly, this is the sweet one, I tried it the last time. So mostly it's like Indian, Pakistani food, because the highest population, as I mentioned, here is like Indian, and here there is like a small sandwich if you want, juices, and this is the prices. So let me show you more. That's fine. Let me show you more. There is here nothing. They finished it here. Everything. There is like the samosa, and there is like chicken roll. This is some kind of nuts if you want to have it. This is Libya. We have to my country actually. 8 dirham. You can have this small box. It's crowded actually. What is the sweets? Oh, 60 dirham. This baklava, it says Turkey. And
What's your favorite from here?
me?
Yeah.
Me, my favorite is baklava, of course.
And
That's all.
okay.
Baklava. Here.
Then chocolate.
Other than chocolate, this one.
The chocolate is
This one. Choco chips cookies.
Okay.
And here, another cakes. 24 dirham. It's nice cake. You can find it here because actually this supermarket I brought you here, guys. It's in a local area. So the prices here as well, when you go to local areas, even the supermarket, you will find the prices is much better than you go in the normal area, expensive areas or something. And this area is more cheaper because there are many supermarkets as well. So that's why the price is so reasonable, so good. And let's continue. To show you this one, everywhere you go in any supermarket in Dubai, you find henna. Most of the people, they like it, so that's why it's like this everywhere. And here you can find all the promotion sites. It's here for 5 days. Example, they're having offers for the tissue, everything. So if a person he want to buy tissue, example, this is 17 dirham. There is a meat, 34. Here they can prepare it. Hello, sir. So here they prepare the meat and they are keeping it like with the masala and everything, so it will be ready for you. And that's the prices. So I want to show you the prices so you don't have an idea before you visit. I don't know who eat this, not me. Brain. This is the one mostly in the UAE. You don't find people that are buying like bottles. Mostly we are buying with a gallon. So this is the kind of gallon every week we buy. So as well, this is the price of water in the UAE, which is common as like internationally. This is the price of a small break. You can get it with 1 dirham 30. Kit Kat is here as a 16 dirham. This M&M's as a 19 dirham. So this is average prices actually. Kit Kat, the big one, 13. And it's keeping on changing, of course, not stable always. And here you can check how much is it, the price if you are having doubt.
You don't use plastic bags.
So this one, so we don't use plastic bags, so like to help you, to make you more, because now we are paying mostly for the bags in the UAE. What you're doing? So we are not having like plastic like before. So that's why to encourage more. So guys, hope you like this video and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment and share, of course.